Alright, today is March 31st and it's about 12:40 p.m. and yeah, I just had my meal full at the Insomnia. Wow, they had a great soup. Tasted so good. Good to the last drop. Alright, so right here, Keawe Street and Auahi Street. So, let's see. So, this is, yeah, Salt at Our Kakaako. Okay, so, wow. Yeah, Insomnia is quite busy. A lot of people just keep coming. Very popular. And inside, yeah, it's pretty full house in there. Small cafe, but very nice couple. Yeah, so here I am. So Salt at our Kakaako, and then I'll do a walk around. They do have, oh yeah, Pioneer Saloon. I ate here before. It was pretty good. Yeah. And right here, Salt at our Kakaako. Right? Alright, so what we do is okay, walk around outside. Alright. And then it's the Urban Island Society. Clothing. Alo Cafe. Oh wow, look at that. Definitely have to come here one day. So this is Alo Cafe. Alright, and then of course Morning Brew. Popular too. A lot of people. Another place I gotta come by. Alright. Alright. So right outside. Then there's a highway in right there in the corner. And go right here. Oh, there's a restaurant upstairs. With customers. Yeah. Oh, here's the restroom. Right there. So. Vein at Kaka'ako. So, this is. And what do they have here? Clothing store. Okay. Then, yeah. Then, and chocolate. Oh, Lani's Korean cuisine. Oh, it's right here. Yeah, it's another place I gotta try out one day. And Arvo. Arvo is very popular here. Wow. Okay. They got sandwiches and variety of other food. Right? Yeah. Oh. Definitely, right. Desserts, drinks. Okay, definitely, I gotta try one day. Okay, then Moku, also another restaurant. And where is this? Small plate. Okay, so and this is a sign up there says Revolution. Alright. Go. Okay. Then we got the Starbucks here. And then Lanikai juice. Right. Okay. Another restaurant. Then wow, looking at this arvo. Arvo seems to be very popular here. And, yeah.
Oh, yeah. And then I caught fish. It's like, when it's closest to like, I don't know, it's like,
Okay.
I'm gonna be like, it's sort of like one.
Village Bottle Shop.
But it's a chase
Alright.
box. No, it went me, Izzy, together. And then I was
Alright. And here, so this sitting areas are here and there all over the place. And then this is the way back to the parking structure. And, yeah, and as we're going back, right? Yeah, there's a variety of paintings on the wall. Yeah. Right. There you go. And then into the parking. And so I said thank you for watching.